Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on our abs. I've got 5 exercises picked out for us. We're going to be repeating each exercise twice with a certain amount of reps. I'll let you know the reps when we get into it. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get started. All right, first of all, we're going to be starting off with scissor kicks. Lean back like this. Don't forget to pull your pants up. Lean back. Hands are down. You're going to keep your back nice and flat, and you're going to scissor kick just like this. Nice and slow. You want to feel the burn and you want to keep your core nice and tight, okay? We're going to do 2 sets of 20 reps. Let's get started. Oh, also, keep your foot hovering over the mat, not laying on the mat. Just like this. Boom. All right, let's get started. Good job. 10-second break. All right, let's move into set 2. Job. Give yourself a 10-second rest. For our next exercise, we're going to be doing some side plank holds. Now, I usually don't like static exercises just because they usually don't do as much as active exercises. So this is a static exercise, just holding. An active exercise would be holding and dipping. So we're going to do a static exercise today just because we really just want to tighten and tone the body. So we're going to hold each side for 10 seconds, 2 times. 10 seconds, 30 seconds. I don't even remember what I just said. We're gonna do two reps, 2 sets for 30 seconds on each side. So let's get started. Looking for answers in a place unknown. Take a rest. All right, moving into set 2. Same thing on this side. Keep your core nice and tight. Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. Too soon iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Go ahead and switch sides. No break because we're just going to be starting fresh over here. It's so awkward not working out in shoes. Make sure you're not sitting back. You're just nice in one line, parallel. Core is tight. All right, 10 seconds, and we have 1 more set. All right, last 30 seconds on this side. Job. Take a 20-second rest. Come back down on your mat for this next exercise. We're gonna bring our whole body up and together. So just like this, extend your legs and your arms out, and we're gonna bring them nice and tall together and backwards, okay? We're gonna do 2 sets, 12 reps, and then get into our next. Great job. 10-second rest. Getting into set 2. Great job. 20-second rest. All right, just because we're already laying on our back, we're gonna do some sit-up crunches. So for these ones, we're just gonna be lifting our upper body off the ground. We're not gonna be coming all the way up with our lower back. So hands behind the head, and we're just going to be going up to that much. Come forward, get this crunch right here, and go back down. 2 sets, 15 reps. Let's get started. Great job. 10-second break. All right, getting into set 2.
I hate to do this, you leave no choice. Can't live without her. Love me or hate me, we will be boys. Standing at the altar.
Great job. Give yourself a 20-second rest. While you're there, we're gonna sit up for our last exercise, just like this, leaning back a little bit on our hands. Legs are up hovering. We're going to extend and kick in just like this. 2 sets, 12 reps. Whenever you're ready, follow along.
Say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Circle of my friend, because the answer's still no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too?
Great job. 10-second rest. Ooh, almost done, guys. Good job. Good job. All right, let's get it. Last 12. Great job. Whew. Good job, guys. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Great ab day today. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, smash the like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.